Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prakash Kanjaria and day 16 how to improve a communication skill with English blog. Day 16 a consistent I daily based upload a English blog. Not a perfection I'm wait. Why? Because everyone says wait for perfection, but I am a dedicate for myself. I am not wait for a perfection of English blog. Why? Because I am only for believe for my efforts, my discipline. That is my motivation, inner motivation, not outer motivation. And let start my new journey with a new YouTube channel. Start in my best friend, but a little bit I have lots of learning in a YouTube channel, in my personality, as my body language, my as a sitting observation skill, communication skill, my pronouns, my voice tone are very interesting. Life lesson, daily base. And day 16, I am to be consistent. Not a one day I miss a English log. Why? Because the Y365 daily challenge to importance of my English language and English fluency. And today I learn from my life in my tuition classes in a English student bench not properly speak in English language. Why? Because the girls and other one students are only for determine English is only for language. But nowadays, my perspective, English are not a properly language. English is the nowadays a currency, and currency are to important every day, every second in your life. But justification are not a properly and not a proportion for you and your life career option, and not a determine in your society. But you are change your perspective, your mindset, your thought process, and why you are to one day definitely change. But my girls batch student are to not a confident or fail speak in English language only for 2 minutes of video make, but not a fluency. Why? Day one is starting as a beginner, but I am sure after 30 days, every girls are to speak in English language. Why? Because your sir are to daily practice and consistency. And everyone is easy. Why? Because only for problem, everyone problem, only for one solution, consistent. You are not wait for perfection. Why? Because perfection are wait for your efforts. That is the little bit change in your daily life. Roles of education system in your speak in fluency English language. Why? Because English language are to only for not a fluency. You are important. You are writing. You are the listening. That is the important of your life. And lots of uh, aura to push yourself. And one day you are to a spark in your life. You are speak in English language. Finally, I say finally you are speak in English language. Okay, and thank you so much. You day 16 watch my English vlog. I am only for share my daily life learning, and after I have decided one 20 day to be continue upload a English vlog, and I start my new perspective. I read write my diary and day by day improvement in English fluency. That is my problem. Only for solution, daily upload of one video. Is it not matter? Is it 30 second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minutes, 6 minutes? Not matter. Just like a upload a video in fluency in English language. That is the final. Okay, final MOU for myself. Thank you so much, dear.